If you want to turn off the silent mode on your iPhone so that you hear every single time your iPhone rings or you get a text message, I'll show you how to permanently disable that silent mode. Now, let's first just head into the Settings app on your iPhone. The first thing we're going to do is scroll down and look for Action button. If you don't see Action button, I'll walk you through some other steps, but first tap on Action button here. You can see they replaced the silent mode button right above the volume up with an Action button. The default is silent mode, so I can press and hold on it, and you can see at the top it goes from silent to ring. However, let's permanently disable that by swiping all the way over and changing this to no action or whatever action you want. Now, the next thing I would recommend doing is scrolling down from here and tapping on Sounds and Haptics. If you see silent mode and is turned on at the top, of course, just toggle it off. However, if you don't see that silent mode option or you don't have an action button, it's just a physical toggle switch. So you'll see right above the volume up is a physical toggle. You're going to take your fingernail and push it towards the top of your iPhone or towards the front of your iPhone screen. This will disable silent mode. However, in addition to that, we want to make sure the ringtone and alert volume is all the way up. Essentially, even if you have silent mode disabled, it could be an issue because your volume isn't turned all the way up. Let's also scroll down and make sure the ringtone is set to a ringtone. Of course, you want to choose something like default or something like that. If it's set to something else that you have a hard time hearing or it's disabled, then that'll cause an issue. For instance, my text tone is set to none, so I'll want to switch this to note or something like that. Now, the next thing we want to do to make sure that your phone isn't silenced is to go all the way back and tap on Focus here. If you see a focus mode turned on, like Do Not Disturb or Sleep, or in my case, my YouTube focus mode, you want to disable these. Sometimes these turn on by default at a certain time. So you can always turn it off by swiping down from the top right and just tapping on that focus mode and to turn off, for instance, Do Not Disturb. Now within here, you can also see that bell icon. Of course, if that is red with the line through it, silent mode is on. And of course, you can just disable it by tapping on it. If it's a light gray, then silent mode is turned off, and you should be able to hear any kind of call, ringtone, text, any kind of alert, all that stuff. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.